So this is the deboss one. What is the hybrid? What is it?
An electric truck with a diesel generator.
It's an electric truck with a
diesel generator.
Yeah.
So yeah, they've got their little poster or whatever in front with the info.
Yeah.
That's the one that they're building on the channel for Edison Motors.
Wow.
So the idea is that you'll be able to bring it to a shop that'll convert your vehicle into an Edison vehicle. So, and the fun part is that it's diesel, but it's run electrically. So you got like all the torque. And then regenerative braking and all that kind of technology. So if you're hauling or doing anything like that. And then I was hearing Rich talk about how some of the other ways that it could work for heavy duty machinery is going in and out of construction sites. It knocks out that noise. So if you're running even a cement truck, you can run it electronically, so you're not making noise within environments where they're building stretches of townhomes.
Well, even running off a diesel generator is technically more environmental friendly, right?
Right, and that's it, because it's not revving at high loads. It's just steady. Exactly. So it's a really great idea. But yeah, they figured it would be easier for people to see it here than if it was at ground level. They were also discussing possibly taking like the cab or the bed off, and they thought, well, then people are going to say, what is this? You need the visual of here's a like 30-year-old truck. And like look underneath and like look what your truck can become. So
that's crazy.
Is that the guy deboss in the talk? He's at the I'll see if I'll be interrupted live.
This is pretty cool. So that was in October, by November. We started talking more seriously about it. And once they improve it, and you'll be good. All right. More real orders are coming in. So the Rich would like to speak about how to figure out